Hi guys, we're here na at my niece's house.
Nag-vlog ka?
Hindi,
Nag-connect
nag-video
kasi
na.
Wi-Fi?
Arrive na guys. Hindi pa ako nag-connect. This is my niece guys. We arrived at quarter to ano?
Yeah, 12:44 yata.
12:45, something like that. And then they leave there 7 a.m. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 5 hours.
Two stop?
Oh, tosta. To make a pay. 5 hours lang na. Yan, we're here na
I
guys.
think it's over here on Wi-Fi.
At our food guys. Wow, chicken, grilled chicken. Sauce na vinegar, tomato and what's that? Soy sauce, the jalapeno with bacon. Yan, look at that. Ginamos. Buting ginamos hindi amoy.
Wala kay ko man ng suka.
Wala lang ginaamoy. Maamoy?
Ewan ko, kasi binigay, bago ito binigay ni ate. Fresh pa.
Oo nga.
Lutuin ang lagyan.
Ayan guys, mag-gain na naman ako nito ng weight dito guys. Kay puro dito. Food.
Puro pagkain.
Puro food. We were cooking guys. Now, dry fish. Danggit. The other one, I don't know what's the name of this. Danggit pa din, pero yung isa ba? Yung malaki. You use the small butin.
Kunin ko muna yung higa.
And lot of daming bunga eh. Ang lot of over here. Look at that, isong ko gaya, oh. Parang clementine siya, guys. Clementine yata ito eh. Mag-grill guys ito. Nag-grill dito. Ayan, very nice. Windy. Oh, hala. Ano naman da ini? Gion naman da ini niya yung nakaon naman da ini gay ambutin gayon. Wala, hangin makaayo. So windy. Init na guro. Wala, init na. No, I put oil.
Oh, dry na?
Oh, hot na.
Sige. It's hot. Be careful, ha?
Tanaw, akin video mo na. Tama na? Ha?
Tama na ito na. Pwede na ito. Orang tagilid man atong.
Tagili, dili siya label ba?
Lagyan natin din ako.
Magluto ni buwad guys. You need to cook dry fish here. Lagyan ng anong init na agad eh. Very quick. I'm cooking. I'm surrounding this. Lahat ubunga. Lahat.
Lagyan natin na.
Ha? Oo nga. Tagilid mo. Oh, tama na. Ay, tingnan. Over. Sobra. Ayan. I think enough.
Nagilid man yung lamisa natin.
Tagilid, oo nga. Ang lamis ang tagilid. Dalawa pala yung ano mo? Grilling?
Ito kasi, maliit.
Ay, ito yung ginala nyo dati.
Doon man yan binili din sa South Carolina.
Oo.
Mait na kaya na? Unahin natin to.
Ayan. Magluto may buwad kayo. Ayun o. Yan. So very big.
Galing probinsya.
Yeah. Ayun. Yummy. Yan.
Thank you, Ate Lloyda.
Ay, sisik man.
Kanta diha, ha?
Sisik, guys. Yan. Wow. Smell good, guys.
Oh, lami ang sweet.
Mm.
Fresh na fresh.
Yeah. The smell is so good.
Is na ano.
It's not bad.
Balihon.
Di na, ma-adjust ang kwan.
Ano yung nakita?
Ano lang. Kita na. Smell good, guys. Craving satisfied. Nako, di ko makain ani sa South Carolina, guys.
Suko ang kapitbahay.
Masukog yung kapitbahay, tawagan ko pulis. Pero diri okay ra.
Dito na siguro ng iba.
Gusto na yan?
Dito na na. May pitra na ito.
Kasuga man yung butin.
Hinahan natin.
Hinain.
Ito masunog na.
Oo, anak. Ang man din. Wala gilangaw diri.
Wala pa. Mamaya pa yan.
Kani mamaya siguro kay dako.
Oo.
Smells so good. Buti dito, guys. Sa kanila, guys. Kasi pwede ka makaluto ng ganito outside, guys. Sa amin hindi. Kay magagalit man yung mga kapitbahay, guys.
Hindi lang kain si Tito.
Ha?
Ano dito?
Maamoy yan doon?
Hindi man.
Hindi.
Mapiskan ka Tita ha.
Hindi, okay na. Wow, this smells so good. Ay,
Mapiskan ka.
mukha ang Charlie, ano?
Oh, danggit.
Diit, din.
Sorry, love danggit.
Oo, danggit. Kani hinog. Tama na siguro na.
Ito na yun. Danggit. Fresh from lake.
Galing late eh. Buti nakadala sila sa ilang luggage, madam.
Balot nila ng ano.
Ibalot na mayo.
Malaki ito.
Na. Kani luto na guro na.
Pwede na na. Wow.
Pag pinamot jud mamaya, guys.
Wow. Ang tama at kita may harvest ng mga sili. Kamatis.
Sili at saka kamatis.
Fresh.
Thank you to. Sinong nagbigay nito?
Ito, in-order ko to kay ano. Kay Ate Ana. Yan sa online vlog. Si Ate Lloyda. Ito yung binigay niya. Thank you so much Ate Lloyda. Oh, ito na yung dried fish. Danggit.
Danggit.
Fresh. Masarap may kasamang kumain.
Kaya nga.
Lutuin natin ito lahat para hindi na tayo mag-prito-prito.
Oo nga. Kasi yung mantika itapon na ito pagkatapos eh.
Very nature ang
Look at-
background dito.
With lemon pa. With lemon.
Namatay mo siguro ito.
Hina. Kanina po si magsugat.
So far, nabato.
Wow. Nice. Maganda siya kasi hindi man siya ano, hindi yung kapag lumang-luma na
Oo,
yung
mabaho.
the dry piece is if very old, the smell so bad.
Wow.
Yan
Yes, starting again.
Okay.
I think the other one. Okay. Done na to bro.
Nipis naman na siya lang. Yeah. Function na siya. Maligo jud daan eh.
Oh, mamaya. Pagkatapos mag-dinner, maligo yun.
Our husband gonna be like, yo, sleep outside.
Yeah, kasi mudikit sa ano eh, sa ano,
Sa buhok natin.
buhok oh. You need to go shower later. After eating.
Very nice.
Hinabaan ko ng video ko kaya upload ko na sa ano. Frying the ano danggit with a beautiful background. See, oh. Danggit yun.
Fresh.
Fresh danggit from the Philippines. Galing man to sa Pilipinas. I think
Ay,
this
luto
one
na
is
natin. Tama lang yung oil pala natin.
fine. Oh.
Lutuin na natin lahat
Ay.
kasi
Mag ano bago ako bumalik, bibili pala ako bulad, pritohon
nagluto.
dito,
Mhm.
pritohon.
Yep.
Kasi lagay lang ziplock.
Mhm.
Kasi okay raman.
Yeah. Punta tayo sa linggo sa ano, Asian. Balik na tayo pag bago umalis. Bili tayo ng kamote.
Yung kamuti nila ano, yung
Yung Mexican na, ano ba?
yung masarap na
Mhm.
hindi
Hindi
tulad-
malambot.
Mm-mm.
Alam mo naman yung kamote nila ito yung dilaw. Ay,
Ay.
Kaya luto na natin.
Nakay daghan ah. Hotdog na lang na.
Doon na tayo. Mahawa na natin ito. Dito.
Kaya nga, naku, ang imong fridge ba? Loaded kaayo.
Daming.
Kasi ano, dapat inuubos niyo muna bago kayo mag-grocery ulit.
Ayaw ni Charlie ng ganyan. Gusto niya pag wala ng...
Diyos mio, dalawang refrigerator loaded. Loaded sa mga food.
Ayan, luto na nga.
Dana?
Yay!
Yeah. Will be so good our dinner today. With fresh vegetable from the yard. And also, dry fish.
Sarap.
So yummy. Hi guys, I'm cooking ano ba? Dry fish guys. Yan. So very yum yum. Okay. Wow!
Saan? Anong probinsya mo, tita?
I'm from the Philippines, from Negros Occidental. I'm here in Florida. Florida now cooking dry fish. Yan.
Okay, enjoy!
Enjoy! Enjoy cooking guys.
Smile! Sus! Aligre kayo!
Oo nga. Aligre kayo. Aligre kayo, Jude. Pwede na ibalik diha, no? Ano, ziplock ron. Ug mauga
Ay,
na
mayroon
siya.
doon malinis.
Ug ano na ba?
Malinis doon.
May malinis.
May na tayo pasok. Ahan mo natin yung amoy.
Oo nga. Kasi matapang ang amoy ko. Pagbago.
Baka mali po yung kasama natin doon.
Yeah. Baka palipasin muna yung amoy dahil kasi American people some don't like mostly my husband don't like, but Lynn husband eat this kind of dry fish guys. This is danggi her husband eating. Her husband is not picky person. My husband is very picky person, guys. So they don't like the smell. Oh, I have so one fly so far, guys. Blood in her area, guys, is allowed to do like this outside. In my area, not allowed, guys. Neighbor is complaining because of the smell. But the smell is so good. And that's it, guys. Bye bye, guys. I'll see you in our next video. Bye. I see you, guys. That's a lot.
Ito
Guys.
ang parsley.
Tapos, ito, kamatis. Tapos, sili.
Sili de. Asa mo to sili? Siling gagmoy. Sili to.
Saan ka ba dyan? Gusto mo lang, alam, kutsilyo?
Oh, silyo kay dagta man ni.
Ito? Hindi ka nagluto na. Sana.
Maghagpag kami. Dati napapanood ko lang yung mga video niya ganito guys. Ngayon wala na. I'm
Ito ba lang
doing.
ilagay yung yung katunyatan. Wow.
Itanim yung ano. Yung tangkay.
Kamatis.
Hmm?
Kamatis, sibuyas. Oh, patay sibuyas. Pangkalasa. Nambok ni kita dito. So, healthy na ang pinakain.
Healthy man ni tayo. Vegetable man siya.
Dahil kunti na lang ang kailangan namin. Kompleto sa Ricardo. What do you think, dumpling? Dumpling.
Very healthy.
Okay na sila sa pizza.
Ha?
Okay na, steak na pizza.
Oh. Ah, di na na siyang kaon.
Yun na yung kaon.
Ewan kung kaon na buong pero iwan.
Oh, snacks lang. Watermelon lang. Fruits.
Kaon na siya watermelon?
Oo. Nag-slice mo lang ako.
Grabe, mag-7 o'clock na ba? Pero may araw pa no? 7 o'clock. Healthy ba? Ay, kay pareho na sila pinanood.
Yan eh. Pareho silang.
Pangit din to pag na-overcook.
Oo, parang medyo crunchy pa siya ba? Maganda. Maganda isasama nga yung ano, yung ganito niya.
Ay, isama?
Mhm.
Oo, isama na.
Ganyan ba? Crunchy, ano siya?
Ganyan?
Oo,
Ganyan?
ganyan. Mhm. Maganda siya. Gulay-gulay. May rice naman tayo.
Ha?
Hindi man nila naamoy.
Hindi. Okay,
Nakuhanan ko yung 3 days ago.
ha?
Mhm.
3 days ago?
Mhm.
Ang bilis no?
Mhm.
Malaya siya pag ano, sobrang init. Salad. Potato salad.
Sweet potato mix. What do you think, Dumpling? I am fine. Is it good?
And my husband is Michael A. Curtis. He served in the Air Force for 23 years. I honestly grew up with Michael.
From garden to table.
3 months after that. We have 6 kids. They all remind me of him.
Tostama.
It's actually it's Mark and I were living on Andrews Air Force Base when 9/11 happened. Honestly, that day changed the rest of our lives. From then on, our whole world became very real. Marcus deployed twice in 2004 to Qatar, and then he was in Afghanistan. I'm very proud of Mike. He did what he was called to do. It was the man he was.
Maghag pat, maghag patay.
2022 and said he
Tambok
really
lang.
lymph nodes. And they were swollen. On Thursday, he got a phone call that said, you have
Makaon ani sila no.
you're gonna,
Ang ano,
it's treatable.
bisag yung tatay, makaon ani.
Oh, oh. Ganahan sila ano? Salad.
They did an autopsy and
Pero wala pa masyado makita ani sa ano eh.
Wala. Ano na parang nalalanta na ba?
Holland ka.
Yeah, that's the very first video.
Yeah, that's from,
and we did an evidence scan and firm hits of that. Mark did his
See how
leaders
it's
for
so
how do I financially support the kids? How do I emotionally support the kids? And how am I going to just keep our life intact? And then over my message on Veterans Day.
Eh, nakita ko nga yung mga picture ng Pinay. Pumunta dito, nag-harvest.
Marami sila.
Maraming napunta dito mga Pinay, mag-harvest garden ni Madam Linley.
Nagugulat sila kasi
What's that?
Mag-harvest. Mag-harvest yung mga tanim. Ay, yung iba, pag, lalo na pag nag-work, wala ng time kasi din. Kaya hindi na sila nag-ano talaga. Si ano yun, si Tonya Crush yun.
oo.
Taga North Carolina.
Nag-ano din no?
Every Sunday nasa flea market siya.
Titinda.
Nagtitinda siya.
Ayaw. Tsaka
Ha?
ayaw man na magtinda.
That's a lot. Yan, dana guys. Yan. This is our dinner today guys. Tikwan.
Ayan. Okay.
Tikwan.
Wala na?
Oo. Wait to put na this guys. So, try ko. Tik lang to ng ano, saglit lang.
It seems to me like, it's kind of this broken wheel. They still have the same regime they've been before. And it's striking that so much of it seems like Obama's deal, which said he would do. Obviously, the administration pushed back on that. They said they bring more positions, and then the Obama deal, Obama results. One, the price was getting really objective. National, the price of the gallon was $4. People were going to be over $5 this time. So he's one on messaging as
Okay lang. Kailangan mawala ang sabaw.
Oo.
Dan?
Yan.
There you go.
Tama na.
Tama lang. Ako lang dapat.
So it's not that it's happening everywhere. It's happening in the blue district and effectiveness.
Speaking of Harris, Kamala Harris reaches out to Socialist Mayor Mamdani in the latest sign she's shoring up support for possible
Yum, yum.
RNC jumped all over that.
As they should. The Democrats have a decision to make. Are they going to go ahead and defeat the Democratic
Look.
Socialists? Or are they Democratic members of the House of
So yummy. Mm.
Hindi pa na nakaon.
In the Trail of Tears. She was
Vinegar.
very proud to be American. We're a great country. We're welcoming. We're loving. We can accomplish a lot, but you can always do things better together. I'm very proud to be
Si
American.
Mex.
I love this country.
Oh, wala ng ano?
Asin?
Asin?
Butangan na tayo ng toyo na.
Ha?
Butangan na to ng toyo.
Buta ng toyo? Saan ang toyo?
Kunin ko muna.